Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best Louis Vuitton Speedy bags in 2024 that I've been loving lately. Let's begin with this Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. With its iconic monogram and playful cherry print, exudes vintage charm. Its compact size, combined with the practicality of a zip closure and interior pockets, makes it a timeless piece for any fashion enthusiast. The gentle wear adds character, telling the story of its journey. Next, the Louis Vuitton Mini Speedy in black is a testament to timeless style and French craftsmanship. Its excellent condition, with minimal pilling, and the versatility of detachable straps make it a sophisticated choice for both casual and formal occasions. Next, the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 in pink marries Parisian elegance with practical design. Despite its pre-loved status showing moderate wear, it remains a very good condition piece that radiates chic sophistication, perfect for adding a touch of luxury to any ensemble. Next up, the Louis Vuitton Graffiti Speedy 30 is a bold statement piece, boasting the classic coated canvas with a twist of edgy graffiti. Its very good condition, with only minor tarnishing and moderate discoloration, adds to its streetwise charm, making it a standout accessory for the fashion-forward individual. Last but not least, the Louis Vuitton Gold EPI Speedy 30 exudes timeless elegance. Crafted in France, its exquisite leather and classic design make it a luxurious staple. Despite minor tarnishing, its excellent condition affirms the quality and durability LV is known for, a true fashion icon. Well, that is for today's video. A roundup of the top 5 Louis Vuitton Speedy bags for women that are trending in 2024. Whether you prioritize durability, style, luxury, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product, and happy shopping!